Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are discuss $5 billion Apple Park and its 7 facts. Apple Park is a state-of-the-art corporate campus and global headquarters of Apple International Company, the renowned technology company based in California. The campus, also referred to as the Spaceship Campus due to its distinctive circular design, was officially opened in April 2017. The construction of Apple Park cost an estimated $5 billion and covers an expansive area of approximately 175 acres. Here are 7 key facts about Apple Park. Number 7. Public spaces. Apple Park embraces the surrounding community by offering public spaces that are accessible to visitors. The visitor center is equipped with an Apple Store, a cafe, and an augmented reality experience showcasing the campus. The rooftop terrace provides panoramic views of the campus and the surrounding area. A public park adjacent to the campus, called the Apple Park Meadow, features walking path, picnic area, and a pond. Number 6. Sustainability efforts. As part of its commitment to sustainability, Apple Park incorporates numerous eco-friendly features. The solar panels on the rooftop generate clean energy, supplying a substantial portion of the campus electricity needs. Additionally, the campus uses recycled water of landscaping, and the building's design maximizes natural light, minimizing the demand for artificial lighting during the day. Number 5. The Steve Jobs Theater. A significant feature of Apple Park is the Steve Jobs Theater, named in honor of the company's late co-founder. This underground auditorium is nestled within a hill and boasts a striking glass pavilion entrance. It serves as a venue for product launches, shareholder meetings, and other special events, featuring cutting-edge audio-visual technology and seating for around 1,000 people. Number 4. Collaborative workspaces. Apple Park fosters a collaborative and open work culture through its innovative office spaces. The interior of the main building spans 4 stories and houses numerous open-plan office areas, designed to encourage interaction and creativity among employees. The campus also includes several research and development facilities, state-of-the-art auditoriums, and a visitor center with an Apple Store and cafe. Number 3. Expansive campus. The sprawling Apple Park campus is meticulously designed, combining nature and technology in harmony. The grounds encompass landscape gardens, orchards, and over 9,000 drought-resistant trees, including apple, apricot, and cherry trees. The campus is also home to a fitness center, wellness facility, and several miles of walking and running paths, promoting an active and healthy work environment. Number 2. Environmental focus. Apple Park is a remarkable showcase of Apple's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The campus operates on 100% renewable energy, primarily sourced from on-site solar panels and biogas fuel cells. The building's ventilation system utilizes natural airflow, reducing the need for traditional air conditioning for 9 months of the year. The landscape features drought-resistant plants and includes a central pond for the cooling of the campus. Number 1. Architectural marvel. This park is designed by the architectural firm Foster and his partners. Apple Park stands as a testament to cutting-edge design and innovation. The centerpiece of the campus is the main building, known as the Apple Park Spaceship. It is a massive circular structure featuring the world's largest curved glass panels and a stunning solar roof that generates significant amount of the campus energy. In summary, Apple Park represents a remarkable fusion of architecture, sustainability, and collaborative workspaces. It stands as a symbol of Apple's commitment to innovation and environmental stewardship, creating a unique and inspiring environment for its employees and visitors alike.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.